So guys, how do you think that frog encounter was? Was that cool, exciting, amazing? I don't know. Okay. So let's see if we can see any other animals on the... Wait a second. What is this? Oh, wow. That looks to be hawk feather that my grandpa saw in the morning sitting on this bench right here. That's a lot of feathers. Well, guess we're starting a new series called Airborne Animals. It's the first episode. And, yeah. Hawks hunt chipmunks, so here's a little rhyme that you can say. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? I like to say that and then turn it into how much chipmunks could a hawk eat up if a hawk could eat up 100. Not really rhyme, but still. And feathers. My guess is this was like a underwing feather. Like, you know how hawks have the outer wing here and then they have white underwings. I'm guessing this was one of the underwings feathers, and then it got caught there and fell off. That looks like a part of it. But, yeah. I'm Jackson Jeswold. We'll see you on the next adventure. There goes that dragonfly. I just caught him. Oh, too high.